Alright, real quickly, so I was just out here, and look what I found out here. Look at this little guy. I have never seen one of these before. Let me... Wow. Huh. To be honest, I don't know exactly what it is. If I found out what it is, I'd probably feel stupid, but wow. Okay, it is Saturday, October 29th, 2016, and it's almost 10:30 in the morning. So a while back I got a request. Actually, I don't know how long ago it was, but I got a request to film a neighbor's Trane air conditioner. They didn't say if they wanted it. Well, it said that they didn't care if it was on or off. So the plan is to film it both. So here you can see it's off, and later today I'll try and get it running. And even though it's almost November, we still haven't gotten any cold weather yet. We've gotten some cool. The last time it cooled off was it was October, the weekend of October 7th through the 9th. It was reasonably cool then, but we were in Stillwater, that's the thing. So, yeah, there's the compressor right there. Honestly, I don't know what kind it is. I have to do that here. So, let's see. Trane XR. And then, yeah, it is. It's an Alliance compressor. Yeah, let's get out of this bush here before something bites me or something, but I doubt it will. But anyways, it's an energy guide. It's a 14 series. It's an XR14. It's from May of 2015. So this coming May, it'll be 2 years. 2 years old. I can't believe that. I think it's May 29th. Was it May 29th? I'd like to say it was. It was a Friday, I remember they put it in. That's all I remember. At the end of May, and it's a 5-ton. So yeah, it's there it is off. I'll try and see if I can get it. Hopefully it'll turn on later, which I'm sure it will, because it's running almost all the time. I'm actually surprised it's not running right now. So yeah, and here's my units. I don't have plans to film these again until, when we do the first startups. That'll probably come. Dude, you know what? At this rate, we might not ever do that. I might have to just if it's still warm in January, then what I'll do is I'll just shut it off on New Year's Eve, and then on New Year's Day we'll do the first startups of them. I don't know. Hopefully that's not what'll happen. Hopefully it'll be cold that day. So yeah, there's the line set, and I'll be back. Alright, so here it is running. It's actually October 30th now. It's about 5:20 right now. So yeah. Also got a request to film air conditioners again, so I'll do that sometime. So yeah. that's gonna pretty much be about it for this video. Yeah, so why not?